Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales. We're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2018 Ford B-Max 1 litre EcoBoost. This is a ZETEC navigation model. It's got the 100 brake horsepower engine. This car's finished in deep impact blue metallic paint. You've got the LED daytime driving lights, front fog lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, chrome trim running along the door tops, alloy wheels front and rear side. These are the 15-inch alloy wheels. Inside the car you've got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with patterned centre panels and white stitching. Sliding rear door opening for easier access into the back of the car. You can fit 3 passengers in the rear of the car. Isofix fixing point for the baby seat. Centre console with 12-volt accessory plug-in point, which can be used by the rear passengers. Near side rear alloy wheel. Going around to the back of the car, you've got rear parking sensors. Into the rear load area you've got the 60/40 split rear seat. This car's also fitted with a load cover, removable shelf so as you can increase the load area of the car, and this car is also equipped with a space saver spare wheel. Moving around to the rear driver's side of the car now. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment. This car's also got electric folding mirrors. (15,543 miles, very low mileage. On the centre console you've got a 12-volt accessory plug-in point, a USB and an auxiliary port. Heater controls with air conditioning. Then you've got the radio with AM, FM and DAB radio stations. Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, and this car is also equipped with satellite navigation. Controls on the steering wheel for answering and rejecting calls. You've also got voice control if your phone's compatible. Identification plate that tells it's a Ford B-Max ZETEC navigation 1 litre EcoBoost 100 PS engine, and it's a Euro 6 engine. Driver's side front alloy wheel. Okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions please phone us on 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.